Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So the price of Bitcoin is incessantly dumping towards the downside. I entered in a long position, $8.6 thousand. You can clearly see price is dumping towards the downside and it has triggered my stop loss, so I'm out of this trade. But I'm pretty sure the price of Bitcoin will pump towards the upside from here, and I want to go long in this trade, but I'm not going now because it will be over trading, and it's better to just wait right now for a perfect opportunity to enter once again. Because of the previous US market sessions and the Nvidia company, lot of stuff going on. Previous video I informed you guys about Solana, that if the price of Solana comes somewhat over here at this price $2-3, then I will go long. And as you can clearly see, today's candle, it came at $1-3, so I entered in a long position. Very important support and resistance zone, 1020 approx to 123. Downwards trend line is now acting as a support as well. Already informed you. Overall, the whole crypto market is oversold right now. Bears have shown their plethora of potential, and now there are chances to bulls to get stimulated. Let's see what happens. Do follow me on my Twitter for latest trade updates.